Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about we have y equals to the integration from a to b f of t dt. So if we do first derivative of this one, we need to do first derivative of b, and the value of b will change for t, and we have f of b minus, we do first derivative of a, and the value of a will change for t, so we have f of a. Now we can apply the formula in here, and then we need to do first derivative of s squared, and this one will change for t in here, and this one go in here, and we have cosine s squared plus s to the power of 4 minus the value of this one will go in here and here. So we need to do first derivative of sine s, and later that we have cosine of sine s to the power of sine s to the power of 2. So this one we apply the power rule, and we have 2s first derivative of sine s, we have cosine s, and now we just copy this one. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.